Yeah, put them through the good old washing machine again. The ghosts are invisible, so we need to press them into visible form. And presto, turns them into beautiful ghost portraits. I don't know about that being beautiful, but... Man, we did catch a lot of ghosts. We still gotta get the dog too, right? Yeah. Hey. You looked a little funky there. Well, we managed to turn those ghosts back into paintings. Thanks for your help, Luigi. Yahoo! Bring in that moolah. Say. Back to the mansion. Alright, let's see. Let's see here. Okay, so got this guy. Oh, the lights are in. Oh, goodness. Mario! I'm guessing that diamond key or whatever unlocks this door, maybe? Yeah, no, that's a club. Is it a club? Oh, it's a diamond. Oh, baby! Mario! Oh, great. What? Oh, I hate you so much. You got... There's freaking birds. We found Mario's letter. I wonder what it says. Well, how do I figure out? So many birds! Why is there so many birds? What's a toad? Something terrible is in that well. Okay, let's go figure it out then. Yeah, I hate you guys. I'm gonna get at least one of you. Oh yeah, I'm getting birds too. Alright, down into the terrible well. Let's see here. Basement floor, it said. Mario! Get me out of here! And then there's King Boo at the center of it all. Oh, I'm gonna get you. Look at me, I got a key! Let's see, so it... Yeah, okay, it's outside, I think. Let's go get this puppy. Mario! You already know who Mario is! Oh, nope. You stole him, didn't you? How could you do that to Mario? When I saw him like that, I completely lost it and ran through the mansion looking for a hiding place. While I was running, though, I did happen to notice that Mario left some of his things lying around the place. A hat, a gun, a shoe, a letter, and a star. I saw 5 items all together.
collect them for you if I would remember where they were. Yeah, I probably should have picked them up.
Leave it to me.
What? Huh? Really? You'll find all Mario's items? Yippee skip! Yahoo! Oh, thank you very much, Luigi.
Don't know why reading sucks so much on this. Ow! That is funny.
Mario,
Oh, he's trying to wallop me. Ow, and then I'm walloping myself while I'm at it. Let's get him. Let's get him. Get him. Get him, boys. Let's get him. Oh, yeah, you're gonna get got. You're gonna get got. You're not as tough as you think you are. Oh, you're gonna get got. Oh, you got me. Oh, we can get you again. Yeah, you're not tough boy at all. Look how weak you are, little boy. Oh, get got, boy. You were too easy.
Mario! Mario! Oh, yeah.
Jerk.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, money. No, you're not gonna win. You're not gonna. No, you. Oh.
Mario!
Little mini babini. Are you kidding me? Come on. Yeah, I got you. Good God, boy.
Mario!
Luigi, you need to stop doing. Alright. I just want to know what that weird noise is, bro. I don't like it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Mario!
He's not even gonna attempt to pick those up. Getting cardio. Look at me, I got a key. They just knew that everybody was gonna try that again. Bitch. I got a shortcut. Something better was going on. I'll leave that to your imaginations. Okay. This is this room. This is this room. There should be a water source over here. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. No, it was just bad.
Mario!
Mario.
Mario!
Mario.
Hmm? If you don't open the damn door. Oh. Heck yeah. Oh, screw these guys. Why am I on the ceiling now?
Mario!
How did this happen?
Oh yeah!
Oh, there we go. Ow! Got you. I got you. Narrowly dodged that. Alright, why isn't why did they do this today? Ooh, I'm guessing with that frost bucket there, I'm probably gonna get like freezing powers in that. Oh no, you're a 50, you're a 50, come on, come on. He's a 50. He's a 50, he's a 50, he's a 50, he's a 50. Ooh, let's go. I was not losing that man.
Mario!
Alright.
Oh yeah!
Why is this the thing?
Yeah! Oh yeah!
Why do they deem that necessary?
Oh yeah!
Yeah, we do get freezing powers. Cool. Hey now, Luigi. What have you found? Oh, it's an ice element metal. You can use now use ice elements. Ice element codes are found only in chilly places. You'll probably find them in refrigerators and cold areas. My research shows that they come out of hiding whenever you approach. Use blah 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 blah. So ice freezes. Yada yada yada. Yeah.
Oh
Okay, I
yeah!
get it. Oh yeah.
Mario!
Mario.
I know what this usually means. All it did was hurt me. What the hey, man? Is this an ice element one? Oh no, it's trying to use fire. Well, that's just devious. Oh. Well. Needless to say, that was disappointing. Oh, they're singing the song. Well, that was not what I was hoping for. Not that I was hoping for anything, but moving on. Let's get her. Yeah. Ooh, we're gonna get you. We're gonna get you. Oh, we gonna get you alright. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're gonna get you. Oh, stay away, stay away, stay away, stay away. Stay away. There's nowhere to run, dude. What are you trying to run to? There's literally nowhere to run. Stop it. 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 Stop it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Stop saying, oh yeah. Look at me, I got a key.
Ma. Mario.
Use it, boy? Ow! Where are you? I don't like you.
Oh yeah.
What? 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 I'm very confused at the moment. Oh, ooh, I got one. I got one. Ooh, I finally got one. Finally got one. Let's go. Oh, the money boys. The money boys. Yeah, just need to like. There we go.
Mario.
What? I'm so confused. What am I doing wrong here?
Oh yeah.
Maybe I need to wait? I need to wait for something? Oh my gosh. Come on. Now I got you, Nanny. Now I got you, Nana. Oh, we got the corner. Oh, we don't got the corner. Oh, now we got the corner. Now we got the corner. Oh, there's nothing. Ooh, never mind. She got us out of the corner. Oh, stay in the corner. Stay in the corner. It's corner time. You go to the corner. Oh. I thought I had it that time, man. Oh, you're back. You're back. You're back. You're back. You're back. Yeah. Yeah, you're nowhere now. He's a bit of a trip.
Mario.
How come you got a key? I never know how to do that.
Oh yeah.
Oh, well, I already figured that out. Once again, just a freaking boo ball.
Oh yeah. Mario.
Let's turn the right way. No, turn the right way. No, get back here, you little...
Mario.
Oh, I caught him, but... No, no, no. Don't you dare go out there. Don't you dare go out there. Oh, I got him.
Mario.
Hey, you guys. Almost. This is ice bucket room. I need fire.
Mario.
No, I don't think there's any in there. Oh, got the key to this one now? Cool. And I take the balls?
Mario.
Let's go, baby. Get that.
Wow.
Ooh, get that. Get that. Oh no, is there still one after me? Oh, there was.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I still got you. Oh, come on. Now I got you, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, you can't escape me. Not today, no siree. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'll get you. I'll get you. Okay, now your friend. Oh, you. What the heck, man? Nope. Nope. You are not getting away with that. How did you get me? How did I not get you? Yeah, well, I'm getting you now, baby. Yeah, I can't do nothing now. There we go.
Mario.
Mario!
Mario.
What's this glove? Ew, it's a little sweaty.
Oh yeah.
Oh, come on. Wait, can I use this on the booze or something?
Mario.
Hey, whoa. You don't get to do that. Get back here. Yeah, you're mine.
Mario.
Now to figure out how to get this guy.
Mario.
I feel like it would be...
Oh yeah.
Oh no. Oh no. No, come on. Now I got you, baby. Yeah, he's stopping me now. Ooh, let's get to the corner. Oh, the corner with chairs and a table. Oh, this is too perfect. Look at him run. Run. Oh no. Oh, just the. Oh, it's vacuum machine. Oh, I can get him right after that. He's just a vacuum upper. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. No, not today, sir. Not today, sir. Oh, you did today. How did you do that? There's barely any left. Alright, now you're done.
Oh yeah.
Well, like, and you thought you were gonna get it. That's all I want.
Mario! Mario! Yeah.
Well, I think it would be this one. Whatever's back here. So, dining room? Maybe? Oh my god, it always comes down to this freaking room. Now I get it.